What's up, guys? I'm here at Cedar Point today. My battery's almost dead. And there's Top Thrill Dragster. So, guys, we got some rides. I've not really ridden that much today. So we're gonna check out this area right next to Magnum, which is like the old go-kart taking out thing. Some people just rude. There's the Magnum XL 200, which is the world's first hypercoaster, which is surprising. And that's like a really cool. Look at that thing, guys. That is just. So I got the hit, Scrambler, Iron Dragon, Mine Ride, Woodstock Express, which is weird. So I'm going to be doing a speculating video. See, there's Magnum Hotspots. There's part of the ride, which is like the end of it. I didn't know that was a bridge. I saw like a car go over it. That's pretty cool. And you can go on the Magnum. That's awesome.
You can get a real good view from the hill on the Magnum. Yeah.
It's going up the hill.
That's a great view.
Okay, so I'm filming right now. I don't think I should do that. Going in this tunnel. So, guys, this is just all like something that I'm predicting that what's your point like gonna add? What? What?
It says get a handstand for readmission. If you get your handstand.
Okay. Oh. Nice. Oh, cool. I got like a gatekeeper thing. So, guys, we're at the spot right now. Challenge Park is currently missing. Yeah, it is currently missing. And I don't know what they're gonna put here. I would speculate of what they're gonna do for like next year, guys. So just to give you an update, I have no idea what this is gonna be. I'll predict like a coaster. There's Ripcord right there, which will be relocated. Challenge Park, which is missing, and that's not cool. There's Magnum XL 200, which is going to like the train. So I would like put a coaster there if I were you guys, because Dad, I have a question. Do you think they have enough? I will put a hyper coaster right there. B&M, I think. So I'm trying to figure out what they are speculating. It's an employee. And 10% of my battery's running out, guys, so I'm gonna have to make this video quick. Oh great, they have this whole thing sealed. Let me see if I can get like a...
Carter, don't drop your phone in there.
So, Dad, what do you think they're gonna do?
I don't know. I have no idea.
So, there's Soak City. I would not let them expand Soak City, because look at that room they have, guys.
Really not a lot of room.
For like a B&M. It looks like they kind of have... Wait. Do I see a hit marker or something, or... There's ripcord right there. So that is like all sealed up, guys. So
What are we going to see?
gonna see if what they could, of what Cedar Point's gonna add for 2017.
If you lose that phone,
I know. So, I think I see like a hint, like something like right about there and something. There's Magnum. Dad, what do you think they'll add next year?
I have no idea, buddy.
There's Soak City. That
Quite a lot of stuff.
yeah. Didn't see too many people in here today.
all right, let's go back, guys, so we can ride some more.
We walked out here for this.
Just to see what we could speculate, like,
You
think.
can speculate without seeing. It's gone. Gone forever. And Dad doesn't have to buy you another one.
I'm just trying to get a hint view.
There's nothing in there.
There's no holes, there's no nothing.
I know that. And there's mayflies, like, everywhere around this park. Even since when we, like, got here. I bet there's some mayflies on Magnum right here. Look at that. Just look at that. Okay, guys. I'm going to leave this video here. Like, subscribe. How many questions in the comment section below. Peace out.